Now I will show you how to insert a clipart. To insert a clipart, you have to click on Insert tab and click on Clipart option. On the left side you can see there is a search box. Here you can search for any particular image or directly you can click on Go button. Okay, here you can see many cliparts are there. If you want to search for a particular image, you can search for that. Suppose car. Okay, type the name here and click on Go button. Now three images are displayed. You have to click on the image to insert the clip art. If you want to resize the image, you can click on these handles and drag the image to resize. Also you can rotate the image by pressing the left mouse button and moving the dragging the mouse. Okay, like this you can rotate the image. And when this picture is selected, you can see one format tab. From this format tab you can give many effects to the picture. Here you can see picture styles, and just after that picture border, picture effects, picture layout, all these options are available only when this picture is selected. Okay, so if you want to move the picture, now it is not moving. If you want to move the picture, what you have to do, you have to select the picture and click on wrap text and select one option from here, and after that you can move the picture easily. Now I will show you how to insert an image from a file. To insert an image from a file, you have to click on Insert tab, then click on Picture, then you have to select the folder or file where the image is located. Okay, I am selecting one image from downloads. Okay, click on downloads folder. Here you can see the images. Click on the image and click on insert option. You can resize the image by dragging the handles. Okay, like this. And here also you can see the picture styles are there. You can give the border or picture styles by clicking on this option. Okay, you can also move the image by same option. Select the picture, wrap text and select one option and move the image. Now I will show you how to crop an image. First select the image, and you can see there is one format tab when you click on this image. Okay, click on that format, then here is the crop button. Okay, there are many options. Crop to a shape. You can crop the image as any given shapes here. Okay, otherwise if you want to crop the image in a fit shape, you can select the fit option and crop the image, then press the enter key. Okay, now if you want to give the picture style, you can select the image and give any picture styles. Okay, click on the picture style, any effect you can give. Now I will show you how to insert word art. To insert word art, you have to click on Insert tab, then click on word art icon. Here you can see different styles are given. You have to select one of the word art style and you can type your text. Suppose if I want to write here pigeon, you have to directly you can type the text. After that you can move the text box. Okay, you can move the text box to anywhere. You can also rotate this Now you can see there are many options given on the ribbon: text fill, text outline, text effects. There are many options. Once it is selected, you can see all these options here. So if you want to fill the text with any other color, you can select the text and like this you can fill. Or if you want to change the text outline, that also you can change like this. Or text effects also you can give. There are shadow, reflection, glow, reveal, 3D rotation, transform. Many options are there. So you can select the text effect also. Now I will show you how to edit Vedat text. To edit Vedat text, you have to double click. Here. Then the cursor will display. Then you have to add the text what you want to add. Like this you can do the editing. Okay. Now I will show you how to delete Vedat. To delete Vedat, it is very easy. Just click on the text and press delete key. Okay, delete Vedat is deleted from the document. Okay, just select the Vedat and press delete key. The next topic is how to insert shapes. To insert shapes, you have to click on insert tab. You can see one shapes option. Click on shapes. Here you can see different types of shapes are given. To draw a shape, you have to select the shape and drag the mouse. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw a shape. Here, if the shape is selected, you can see one format tab. Okay, now here you can see the option shape fill. You can use shape fill option to fill any color in this shape. You can give the shape outline also like this. Shape effect also you can give. Preset effects are there, shadows are there, reflection effects are there. Okay, like this reflection effects are there. Okay, like this you can give the effects to the inserted shape. Now I will show you how to add text into a shape. First select the shape, right click, select add text option, then the cursor will be displayed inside the shape. You can type now. When we click on this insert and shapes option, you can see different shapes are given based on their categories. Okay, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, stars and banners, callouts, like that different categories are given. Okay, if you want to draw callouts, you can select the callout and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Okay, you can give the shape fill. Okay, color also you can insert, text also you can insert. The next one is inserting symbols. To insert a symbol, you have to click on the same tab. Which tab? Insert tab. Click on insert tab. Here you can see equation and symbol. To insert a symbol, you have to click on this symbol button and select the symbol which you want to insert. Okay, there are so many symbols are given. You can change the font and subset also and click on the insert button to insert the symbol. Okay, I hope all of you have understood the topics. Thank you.